Imagine a camera that doesn't just capture light, but captures soul. For nearly a decade, one camera sat on the throne of the photography world, undisputed and legendary. The Nikon D850. It was the gold standard, the perfect balance of resolution, dynamic range, and ruggedness. But when the world moved to mirrorless, something was lost. The Z7 and the Z7 II were good, but they weren't the king. They felt like transitions. Then came the Z9 and the Z8, speed demons that conquered the world of sports and wildlife. But for the landscape photographers, the studio artists, and the commercial pros who prioritize every single pixel over sheer burst speed, there was still a hole, a void. As we stand here in March 2026, that void is finally being filled. The Nikon Z7 III is no longer a whisper in the backrooms of Tokyo. It is a reality that is about to dismantle the high-resolution market. This isn't just a Z8 light. It is a precision instrument designed for one purpose: to be the best image-making machine in human history. If you have been holding on to your D850 or waiting for a reason to ditch your Sony A7 RV, stop everything. The Z7 III is the medium format killer we've been waiting for, and today, we're going to show you why it's about to change photography forever. The story of the Z7 III starts with a shockwave: the acquisition of Red Digital Cinema. For a century, Nikon was a photography company that learned to do video. But by buying Red, Nikon didn't just buy a company. They bought the secret sauce of Hollywood. The Z7 III is reportedly the first stills-focused body to feature the legendary Red IPP2 color science integrated directly into the sensor's pipeline. This isn't just a marketing gimmick. This means that for the first time, a full-frame mirrorless camera will produce the organic, filmic highlight roll-off and the breathtaking skin tones previously reserved for $50,000 cinema rigs. Imagine shooting a landscape in the bright sun of Utah or a portrait in a high-contrast studio and having the highlights melt away into the sky with the grace of 35mm film. This is the Red factor. And it's the reason why the Z7 III is the most dangerous camera on the market in 2026. But a camera is only as good as its sensor, and the leaks coming out of the supply chain are pointing to a monster. We are looking at a brand new 67.5 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor. While some predicted Nikon would play it safe with 45 megapixels, these March 2026 reports suggest a massive jump to topple the Sony A7 RV. But it's not just about the megapixel count, it's about the readout architecture. Unlike the Z8 and Z9, which use stacked sensors for speed, the Z7 III is rumored to use a non-stacked, high-fidelity architecture optimized for one thing: dynamic range. We are hearing reports of a staggering 15.5 stops of dynamic range. To put that in perspective, that puts the Z7 III in direct competition with the Fujifilm GFX 100S2. It is a medium-format killer in a body that fits in your backpack. For the landscape pro who needs to pull detail out of the deepest shadows of a canyon, or the commercial shooter who needs to maintain texture in a white wedding dress, this sensor is the new gold standard. Let's talk about texture tracking, the new AI-driven breakthrough in the Expeed 8 processor. In the past, autofocus was about finding faces or